back to my channel. I just finished clipping my ends, and it is a big change from before. Style that I'm gonna do 2 braids on the sides, and I want it curly in the middle like a mohawk. So I'll be back. I'm sectioning my hair for 4 sections. This is one section. This is gonna be the whole middle, which is for 3 sections. This is the 4th section. And I'm gonna use some jam, extra hold, just to kind of like give that sleek look. Cause like I said, I have really thick hair. I wanted the braids on the sides to be sleek. Brush. I got this brush from the beauty supply. It's a hard bristle brush. I'm trying to do it and make it last. I'm trying to do it and make it last. Don't like my joke, then I take it back. There go that smile, that beautiful smile. Yeah. We're gonna need more drinks. Let's stay a while. I'm trying to spend a little time. Yeah. I'm trying to do a little mind fucking. You gon' love it, baby. Tell me, do you mind? Me fucking with your mind. One more time, one more time. So do you mind? Try something different with my hair. If we could do a little mind fucking, let's discuss it. Let me touch it, get inside. Do you mind if I fuck your pretty little mind? Mind fucking. As you can see, so far I was turning out. Yeah. I know what you've been through. I can treat you gentle. Trying to get all in your mental. I'ma keep it simple. I'm gonna bring that all the way down. As we know, you can't do it one side. You can't do one side without doing the other. So, yeah, I'll be back with the finish. Teach you how to floss. As I finish my hair, and this is the finish of it. I'm not gonna make this video so long, but this is the finish of it. I added a little drip. I'm trying to spend a little time. I'm trying to do a little. Like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching my video. Bye.